جعل مع غيرك يغني والقبل بخطتك يفهمني يم جننهم يم غدبهم والله جعل مع غيرك يغني والقبل بخطتك يفهمني يم جننهم يم غدبهم والله نامينهم يم داويهم ما خلا.
Meta keeps trying to censor me by removing my comments. The latest one, long live the Houthis. Well, Meta, you may remove a comment or two, but you won't remove from me my dream of being 20 again, out on the open Red Sea, in a small wooden skiff. The smell of outboard